everybody, my name is Mr. Man123, and today I just went to Dairy Queen, had a half, let's milk up. But I got the Blizzard today. I got a free one, and if you don't know what the Blizzard is, turn it upside down. It won't do anything. It'll just stay like that, like usual ice cream will fall. But how much is the Blizzard?
It was free.
Well, we don't know how much
Go that way.
we don't know how much the Blizzard is, but if you get it, it's really cool. It won't fall. My mom thinks it's gonna fall, it's not. But yeah. I'm gonna go home right now. Probably. Right? Yeah, hey. We're on a trip. I'm going to show you the Blizzard. Make sure you leave a like and comment in the comment section below. And see you guys next time. Bye.
Jumping.